Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook name. So you want to change your name of Facebook? Let me show you all, it is done. The first thing you need to do is open your Facebook application, and you need to click on your profile menu right here after that. Click on this J icon at the top right corner to open your settings. Once you get your settings, your WC, Meta Account Center, to may find it at the top right here, or at the bottom. First, look for this Me Account Center, and you need CCK on Seymour Account Center. After that, click on Profiles. Once you click on Profiles, you need to click on your Facebook account. Just click on Facebook, and you're going to see Name. So once click on Name, you're going to see the option to change your name. Just click on it and input the new name that you want to use, and does it very easy. Let Chase forward, so you find this video for smash the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.